Mutesi, nkundira untunga ayo materambabazi. Yatereke rwose ni wowe bibera. Ababyinirira y'umutavu uri mu ruhongore barashyenga, ntibarahura n'umwiza wizihirwa kimeza, ntibazi cyanga cy'ibyiza simba veba, ntibaragahura na muheshya nkwano, ikaba impamvu simusiga bototera kuzirandura. Umva di, endongera undangaze ndangamirwa ndata. Uw'iminwa y'urubebere yibagize itaha, uw'ingwiro zitendera zendereza ntwari, uw'amaboko atanaza yantaye muri yombi, nkundira utuze nkurore dore urashamaje, abazi ubugeni n'uwe inganzo bavoma, maze kandi nyirwa cyane n'imico yawe. So the title is The World is Not Fair. Let's have it. I'm not going to explain. The world is not fair. The world is not fair. The prettier, the crazier. Beyonce once said, pretty hearts. Now I understand a pride demon. The world is not fair. How did I expect fairness? I found refuge in poetry. Écoute. La fragilité de ce monde pénétrait dans nos âmes. La vérité devenue une façade peinte de drame. L'amour est une illusion dans les cœurs des dames, femmes. La fortune. L'argent est un outil destructeur entre les mains des hommes. Hommes. Shama. Jéhovah Shama. Dieu est là. Après tout, qui s'en soucie? Qui s'en soucie? Qui s'en soucie? Encontré refugio en la poesia. The world is not fair. The one that punishes nice guys finish last. And the same world rewards bad boys. Bad man looks good in Dior. As if being a good person is a sin, you have to be assertive, my guy. My mother lied to me about success. She told me that being a nice kid will take me far in life and take me in places. She told me to be accommodating, but the world is different. I guess she never understood this concept. The world is not fair. I wish I had this information before. Encontré refugio en la poesia. My world is sensitive. Mine is fair, tit for tat. That's why I made this short verse. The shorter, the sweeter. I want you to feel this poem. Open your heart. Let my words sink in, all of them. Maybe justice can find a place in your heart. Yeah. I feel ashamed I read. I don't like to read, actually, because most of you knows my one. I love to fly. Can I fly a little bit? Which one can I read? Which text can I read for you? The one you know I can read for you. No. I never improvise. The one poem of mine, you know. Any suggestion? Which one, Giselle? Valentine's one? Oh, why are you laugh right now? Oh, yeah, okay. So we need to love. We need some love in the room. Ooh. Imitoma. But I think Ukwezi talked about taste of your love. Yeah? Between Imitoma and taste of your love, which one you prefer? Taste. It's a madam, yeah. My love. I don't even know how to start. It is crazy how I do feel when I think about our love. I can find a million reasons to change my career, but I can't even find one reason to change my feelings for you, because I love the taste of your love. I heard about Romeo and Juliet, Jack and Rose, Angelina Jolie and Brad Pitt. But I think this is the only true love ever exists. Ever. The media should have come to me to ask me about you, my love. You are the reason of my smile, the sunshine when I am cold, the light brighten my darkness. You turned my nightmares into happiness. The smell of your perfume, the softness of your skin, the smile on your lips drives me crazy. Baby, I want you all by my side. The sound of your voice when you call me honey takes away my stress and lay me in a paradise. I mean, in a beautiful palace deserves beautiful lovers like you and I. Inseko yawe, impumuro yawe, amagambo yawe, ingendo yawe, nako. Ibyo mbona byose byitwa ibyawe bintera imbaraga ngaseruka nemye maze ngatabaruka gitwari. Call me when you need a friend. Count on me when you are afraid. Hug me when you are afraid. That's it. That's it. It was just 2 lines, but it's okay. Yeah, so thank you so much. You made me perform that thing, and I didn't make a rehearsal. I tried. So for Imitoma, maybe next time. Why not? But 1 verse for him? It's okay? A dedication to anyone? To her? To her? To her? Oh, to Ola. All right. Ola. JDC, does Ola have a Kinyarwanda name? Ola afite izina ry'ikinyarwanda ngo urimbwire cyangwa urashaka ko ari uri nyibwirira ariko arakuze yaryivugira Mutesi. Wow. Ari proud y'izina rye Mutesi. Nkundira untunga ayo matera mbabazi yatereke rwose ni wowe bibera. Ababyinirira y'umutavu uri mu ruhongore barashyenga ntibarahura n'umwiza wizihirwa kimeza ntibazi cyanga cy'ibyiza simba veba ntibaragahura na muheshya nkwano ikaba impamvu simusiga bototera kuzirandura. Umva di endongera undangaze ndangamirwa ndata uw'iminwa y'urubebere yibagize itaha uw'ingwiro zitendera zendereza ntwari uw'amaboko atanaza yantaye muri yombi nkundira utuze nkurore dore urashamaje abazi ubugeni n'uwe nganzo bavoma maze kandi nyirwa cyane n'imico yawe. Murakoze. Okay.